Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome, and this is my channel where I document all of my projects, latest ideas, DIY fixes, maintenance, a bit of everything really. So if you're interested, please click that subscribe button and the little alarm bell to get regular notifications of new videos. So in this video today, I'd like to show you a new product I've been working on. It's a Halloween themed lantern. So I'm going to be cutting out all the pieces, putting it together, and then showing you the overall finished product. So before I start making anything, I'm just going to clean the lens and mirrors and realign the laser beam. I noticed last night towards the end it wasn't cutting so great, so I think the mirrors need cleaning and realigning. Okay, so I've cut all the pieces out now, and then it's simply a case of putting it together. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you click that subscribe button so you get regular updates of new content. Until next time, take care.